about today an environmental important part. This is called wetland. We have our special guest here, Mrs. Shamarthee Manzoor. She will explain us about the wetland and actually how we care about it and how people see about the wetland and is it really necessary for us. So, how are you? So, thank you for inviting me in your show. And yes, I'm fine. So let us start our discussion. First of all, I want to know about the wetland. What do you think about it? Let's talk about the wetland. So you know wetland is the low-lying ecosystem where the groundwater table is always at or near the surface. It includes areas of marsh, then the fan, bog, floodplain, and shallow coastal areas. So wetland is divided into freshwater system and also into the estuarine system, which may be further subdivided by the plant, soil types, etc. So wetland is characterized by a sluggish or standing water that can create an open water habitat for the wildlife. Yes. So, can you tell us about the can you describe the wetlands in Bangladesh? We all know that Bangladesh is actually a wetland-rich country. Can you describe it to us, the distribution, the classification, the biodiversity, the economic benefits, the educational benefits, the social benefits? I think our all the guests also want to know about it. Please, can you explain it? Yes, wetland have so many social benefits. So it gives a wide variety of food and habitat for fish and wildlife. So including threatened the endangered species. So water quality improvement and also the flood storage. So and also it has many economical beneficial that's helps in the natural products for human use and provide the fish and rice that feed billions of people. They serve as natural sponge against the flooding and drought, protect our coastlines areas and help fight the climate change. And if you tell about the Bangladesh possesses enormous areas of wetland, and we all know that Bangladesh is situated at the coastal area of the Bay of Bengal. So it includes rivers, streams, the fresh waters, lakes, havers, bowers, then bills, water storage reservoirs, then fish ponds, flooded coastal areas, flooded cultivated areas, and also we have a swamp forest in a Sundarban in Sundarban. So not only that, in case of Bangladesh, the one of the most big wetland is the Hakaluki Hawar, which is situated in the northeastern Bangladesh. So it was one of the Bangladesh's largest and one of Asia's large marsh wetland resource. So it has the diversity of fisheries. It is one of the main fish cultivation sector, fish biodiversity sector in Bangladesh. So also we have so many types of wetlands like the Kaktai Lake, Cholon Bill, the Atrai Bill, then the Nikli Hawar, the Gopalganj Khurna Bills, Arial Bills, Tanguar Hawar. So, what do you think about the Dhaka area's wetland restoration? Can you give us some example and some other wetlands in the country, please? So, in the recent year, we have been talking about the umbrella concept called the nature-based solution, which covers a wide range of ecosystem-based approaches and people-centric activities in Dhaka city. So, which covers a wide range of ecosystem. So, in case of Dhaka city, if we think about the Dhaka city wetland, yes, we have so many wetlands in Dhaka city as it is situated in the Buriganga river. Uh, so in case of Bangladesh, the one of the biggest wetland is the Hathi Chil, and I will say that Hathi Chil restoration project is one of the successful project for the Bangladesh. So hence the name Hathi. So when we think about the Hathi Chil, legend said that the Pilkhana's elephants were come here to bath. So that is why it is called the Hathi Chil. So Hathi Chil project is to retain the storm water so that a good amount of water can be reserved around the year if needed. So during dry season, the Hatiti Lake can hold approximately 3.06 billion water, and during the rainy season, the lake can hold approximately 4.8 billion liter of water. So this makes Hatiji Lake the largest water body inside the capital city. Also, we have in Bangladesh the Tanguar Harbor, which is situated in the Tahirpur Upazila in the Sunamganj district. So Bangladesh is a unique wetland ecosystem of national importance, and also Tanguar has become an international importance, and I will say it has become one of the most tourist attraction place. Last I have visited in Tanguar Harbor in 2019, and I will say it is one of the most memorable journey of my life. So the Tanguar Harbor include the 46 areas of village. So Tanguar Harbor plays an important role in fish productions as it functions as a mother fishery for the country. Every winter, the Harbor is home for the 200 types of migratory birds. There are more than 150 species of freshwater fish in the Harbor. All of us, for us today, thank you for coming our show. Thank you. About our wetland, I will say end of everything that wetland is one of the important part of the nature system, the ecosystem, and the biodiversity. So we we really need to take care of our wetland. We have to propose some good functional activities for restoring the wetland of Bangladesh. So thank you all. Thank you so much.